Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So here are 10 interesting facts about Eunice from Skeem Saam. On number 1, she was born on the 1st of March 1999 in Seshego. Oratile Maitisa brings Eunice to life. Number 2, she draws inspiration from her big brother, her only sibling. At number 3, Oratile's education journey began at MP Malachi Primary School and continued at Capricorn High School. Number 4, although she hasn't attended university, her dream is to study live performance at a FDA school. Number 5, since 2010, Oratile has captivated audiences as Eunice Nkadimeng in Skeem Saam. Number 6, Eunice's storyline took her to Johannesburg, pursuing university and navigating love and heartbreak. Number 7, Oratile's talent extend beyond acting. She's also skilled in singing and dancing. At number 8, a spiritual person, Oratile has been part of church guilds and serves as a youth evangelist. Number 9, recently Oratile revealed her journey as a sangoma, sharing her graduation on social media. At number 10, her favorite movie, Diary of a Mad Black Woman, inspires her with its portrayal of strong, independent women. So that's it for today. You can comment in the comment section which other celebrity do you want to hear the interesting facts